The University of Central Oklahoma, a fast-growing, dynamic metropolitan university in Edmond, is helping to prepare Oklahoma's next generation to lead the way into the future. And while UCO is leading the way in Oklahoma in a variety of academic areas, including forensic science, the performing arts, and biomedical engineering, UCO is also leading the way among Oklahoma colleges and universities in its sustainability efforts. In April 2006, UCO became the largest institution in the state to exclusively purchase wind power for all of its electrical needs for the campus. As a result, UCO was awarded Green Power Partner status by the Environmental Protection Agency. With hundreds of recently planted flowers, plants, and shrubs and trees, the university's 210 acres are more beautiful than ever, and the work continues. Partnerships are important to UCO, and in 2001, the university partnered with Johnson Controls on a performance contracting initiative to reduce utility use, cut costs, and protect the environment. The central chiller plant, thermal storage tank, heating plant, as well as lighting and plumbing systems were retrofitted and improved. Using motion detectors to turn off lights when classrooms are empty is just one of many ways UCO has already saved more than $5.7 million in utility costs. That money is being used to pay off the bonds used to initiate the work on the performance contract. UCO employees are helping to drive the sustainability effort. The motor pool staff came up with the idea of producing non-polluting biodiesel fuel from used cooking oil from the university's cafeteria using a homegrown processing plant that they built. The fuel is being used to power diesel equipment on campus. UCO has been asked by many interested parties to demonstrate the process and has shared instructions with those wanting to make their own biodiesel fuel. In fact, the project was honored with the International Quality Fleet Management Idea Award by the National Association of Fleet Administrators. For years, UCO has recycled paper, motor oil, batteries, tires, toner cartridges, hazardous chemicals, scrap metals, and refrigerants. But now the university has expanded that program to include aluminum, plastics, glass, and cardboard. When surplus property is no longer being used, rather than sending it off to the landfill, UCO has sold much of it at auction on eBay to return money to the campus for other purposes. In fact, 40% of the proceeds are returned to the departments that provide the surplus property as incentive to continue. The University of Central Oklahoma, leading the way in sustainability in Oklahoma.